Hi everyone, welcome back to Du's Kitchen. Today, I've gotten something super sweet and totally natural for you. I'm going to show you how I made delicious sugarcane candy using real sugarcane juice. No artificial flavor, no additives, just pure goodness straight from nature. Trust me, you've never tasted candy like this before. Let's get started. We begin by trimming off the hard joint of the sugarcane and peeling off the tough outer scale. Once that is done, I use my multifunctional grater, the smoother blade to finally grate the cane. And let me tell you, the result is absolutely awesome. This method is highly efficient, especially if you don't have a blender, food processor, or juice extractor. If you would like to see how I extracted sugarcane juice using a blender, I've already made a full video. I will leave the link in the description. Next, I tried another method. Added some cut cane pieces into my mortar and pound them. The result also superb. But when I compare both methods, the grating method extracted more juice, making it the more efficient option. I wrap the grated sugarcane in a chiffon cloth and squeeze it with my hands. Juice came out nicely, but I couldn't get all of it with hand pressure alone. So I transferred the wrapped pulp into my manual juice extractor and pressed again. Look at how much juice we still got. I continued with this process until I extracted juice from all the grated cane. And then pour the juice into a pot, setting it aside for cooking. Now, I brought in one matured coconut, crack it behind the camera, then wash it clean. Using the same grater, this time I switched to the medium and large blade to strike the coconut. You can use whichever blade you prefer. It does not make a big difference. Once grated, I spread the flakes on an oval tray and toasted them for just 5 minutes, enough to get a light golden aroma. Then transfer them into a bowl. I place the pot with sugarcane juice on medium heat. Once it begins to boil, I carefully skim off the greenish foam floating on top using a sieve. I also make sure to stir along the side of the pot regularly to prevent the syrup from burning. When the syrup began to caramelize and turn a beautiful golden brown color, I turned off the heat. While it was still hot, I quickly added in the toasted coconut flakes and stirred well to combine. Then I started shaping the mixture using a cookies cutter. You can use whatever mold or cutter you have. Just be quick. As it cools, the candy will harden and becomes difficult to shape. And that is it. Our all-natural sugarcane candy is ready. It is chewy, flavorful, and packed with the real taste of sugarcane, just like nature intended. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more DIY treats and natural recipes. Got any question or want to see more candy ideas? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.